What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show how to make a calculator in Scratch like this. Okay, so let's ask 3 times 3. It says 9. 5 plus 5, 10. 9 minus 9, and it says 0. Okay, so let's create a new project first. Click on new project. Guys, first we're gonna focus on scanning the first number, and then we're gonna focus on scanning the second number, and then we're gonna focus on saying the answer so that the cat says the answer. Okay, so I'm gonna call the cat calculator. Calculator. Okay. Sorry guys. When green flag click broadcast start. When I receive start. So first we need a list. You can delete the my variable. Okay, make a new list. Call this operators for all sprites. Okay, so let's add. We're first gonna add. I'm focusing addition. So plus. So add plus to the operators list. Wait 1 second. Okay guys, I'm back. So when I start, first we need to ask a question. So ask, you can just change to a blank thing. And let's make a new custom block. Call this setup. Click on run without screen refresh. Okay, and after that, setup. So let's make we need some variables. One called Q. This is Q stands for question. You can change the question if you want, but I'm gonna name this Q for short. Another variable called wait. What can we call this? Index. Okay, set index to 1, set Q to answer. And in here, repeat length of operators, if then, and under the if, change index by 1, and put in the if equals. Oh guys, and make a new variable, call this math. And in here set math to the blank value. Okay. Equals. Oh no guys, not an equals, contains. Yeah, contains math question contains item index of operators. Set math to item index of operator. Okay, let's try that. So if I say 1 plus 1, we need the math variable for now and the question. Index is not that important, but we can put it in here too. Okay, our question sets to 1 plus 1, math sets to plus, and index sets 2. Make sure that happens. Okay, now we want to scan the numbers. Let's make a new block, or we don't need to make a custom block. We can just put a repeat length of question. And we don't need to make another variable. We just can put in here set index to 1, okay, or 0. And let's make a new variable. We're gonna make 2 new variables, one called letter, and in here set letter to the blank value. And now we can and the letter is important too. Now we can hide the operators list. Okay. Make another variable called this num1. So num stands for number. So number 1. Set number 1 to the blank value. Make sure it's not 0. Is blank. And make sure it's blank. Okay. And here change index by 1. Set letter to letter index of question, and let's wait 1 second after that, and now let's test it. If I enter 123 plus 1, or let's just do 123 plus, our letter sets to 1, then 2, then 3. And if I enter 44 plus, it sets to 4, then again 4, then plus. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna put an if then else. Sorry, guys. That's my mom. Equals. Wait. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, in here, if not letter equals math. In the else, we're gonna put something later, but in the if, but an if. Oh no, set num1 join num1 join letter. In the else, we're gonna put something later. Okay, so if I do 123 plus our num1 sets to 123. That's awesome. Now let's if I do 1 plus 1, it sets to 11. Let's fix that problem. In here, but wait until letter equals math, and then let's forever stop this script. 1 plus 1, our num1 sets to 1. That's awesome. Okay, and in here, let's broadcast before the forever loop. Scan num2. Now we're gonna scan the second number. Okay, we can just duplicate this and set index 2. Take a plus 1, index plus 1. Index plus 1, and change index by 1. Set letter to letter index of question. If then not enough, and change to set number 2. Oh, but we don't have the number 2 variable. The new variable is called number 2. And set number 2 here the blank value. Okay. So now it's not gonna work if we do set number 2 in here and number 2 join letter. It's not really gonna work, and we can take this broadcast. So if I do 1 plus 1, our num2 doesn't set to, it's not setting to 1. So we can take this wait until, and if I do 1 plus 1, wait how set letter to wait change index by 1, and we need to put it here. 1 plus 1, yeah, it sets to 1. 12 plus 12, 12, and if I do 2 plus 9, it sets to 9. But if we do 1 plus 1 plus 1, it sets to 1. That's what we wanted, because we're later gonna add that we can do 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, but today we're not gonna add that. Okay, so now let's create another custom block and call this say answer. Wait, answer, and add an input called and then math, put math in here, and add an input called this math. Run without screen refresh. Okay, so now let's put it in here. Okay, so in here, in here and in here, and put in there math. So in here, yeah, we already scanned number 1 and number 2, so it's very easy to do it. If then equals, math equals plus, then make a new variable, call this answer for all sprites, set, and in the setup script set answer to the blank value, and in here set answer to plus num1 plus num2, and then say. And guys, if you wanted to say just the answer, put in say answer for 2 seconds. But if you wanted to say 1 plus 1 equals 2, just do what I'm doing right now. Join num1 math join num2. So if it's plus, it says now, if I enter in here 2 plus 2, it says 2 plus 2, but it doesn't say the answer. So let's fix that. Put an equals. So it's now 2 plus 2 equals. Another join. And put in here answer. Now it says 2 plus 2 equals 4. If I enter 2 plus 2, and then after that, let's broadcast start. Let's try that. Let's enter 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. That's exactly what we wanted. 6 plus 6. Yeah. And if I enter 1 plus 1 plus 1, it says 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's good. But we're later gonna add, yeah. That's okay. Now let's add, yeah, the multiplication, subtraction, and division. Okay, and go to the list and add minus times and division. Okay, so just put a if math equals minus, set and to num1 minus and change, yeah, minus, and here multiply by, so multiplication times your division, and boom. Let's try it. Hope it's going to work. It's going to work. 4 multiplied by 4. Yeah, it says 16. And now let's enter 2 divided by 2. Yeah, it says 1. 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1. Yes, it works. Yeah, and next video we're gonna add power. Yeah, that was it for this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.